Good morning friends. Today we will learn what is params keyword in C#. So before going to understand this params keyword, let's first try to understand the problem. Now problem start here. Suppose I am writing a developer writing code public uh, string, this is a func, and string A, string B, and now I'm return A plus B. Okay, so this is the code that client had written in some DLL. Now this code is deployed. Now at client end uh, we are going to call this function. So string result equal to func. Now I will pass the parameter values and the output will be 1 2 3 BC. This will be the output. Now problem come. Now client wants to add some more parameter and concatenation of 3 strings, that is 4 4 5 6. So client will ask to make this function so that client will pass 3 parameters. So what developer will do? Developer will do a string C, and now client will pass this third parameter and output will be 1 2 3 BC 4 5 6. But now client again wants, hey developer, I want some more parameters. So so developer will increase as per the client requirement. Now the problem comes here is every time client will have to deploy this as per the developer will have to deploy this code as per the client requirement very frequently. So this is the very wrong solution for this problem. So what we'll do, so developer write at a DLL level a new code, and here params keywords comes into the pictures. String, I'm writing the same code, func params string as an array type of input. Okay, pardon me my writing here. And string result, I will explain in Visual Studio Code also. So for each string as in input, this input. Okay, now result plus equal to s and return result. Okay, so now code will be deployed on server. Now there will be no need to write code or change the code for the same data type of a string, and client will pass the value as per his or her requirement. So I hope you understand the use of params keywords. So params keyword tells the compiler, hey, this is the dynamic, this is the dynamic, and client will pass any number of parameters. So at the time of compilation, we can pass any number of values in the comma separated. Okay, let's understand through Visual Studio Code. Let me open this Visual Studio, and this is the uh, and here is the function is string funct. Let me static. Now I call this function and passing two values 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me run this, and the output will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now client wants to increase 3 to 3 parameter, and this one. Then what we will do, developer will generally add third parameter and plus sign here. We can use reflection also to return or to check and what the function getting and how we'll calculate, but we'll explain it later. So for each and every time we will have to write this code manually and deploy this code, then client will use this. Now let me change it. Okay, now intro see, let me put it as a comment. Now here we can, if you check here, let me show you. This is the params string input. Function is defined as param string as array input, and any number of string parameter that we can pass here, and compiler will accept it. And when we run this code, in the input we'll get the values as an array. So I hope you understand the basic requirement, the problem, and the solutions that we'll use using params keyword. Thank you.